Okay, so they want us to fill out this table for 889 and then see if we can figure out what's actually happening as we go down the table. And then as the second part it says, how would we write 10 to the negative 12th as a fraction? So let's make this table bigger first, right? And I'm going to make it so that I can fill it in, right? And let's figure this out. So 10 to the 0 is 1, right? And how would I write 1? 1 over 1, right? And then, so now down the decimal form, I went from 1 to 0.1. So the next one's going to be 0.01, right? And the next one's going to be 0.001, and then 0.0001, and then 0.00001, right? And in the right, it was 1 over 1, 1 over 10, 1 over 100, 1 over 1,000, right? 1 over 10,000, right? 10,000, and 1 over 100,000, right? So that's 10 to the negative 5th. So the question now says, how do I write 10 to the negative 12th? Well, first it says what's happening as you go down the column. So let's do that. For this one, right, we're moving the decimal place 1 to the left every time. For this one, we're multiplying the denominator by 10, right, or we're adding another 0 to it. We're multiplying by 10. So now let's see what we're really doing, right? This is this one is 1 over 10 to the first, right? This is 1 over 10 squared, right? Because we're multiplying. This is 1 over 10 to the third, right? And if we see, the negative 3 becomes 1 over 10 to the third. The negative 2 became 1 over 10 to the positive 2. So the question up here is, how do we write 10 to the negative 12? And we write it as 1 over 10 to the 12th in exponential form. If we needed to write it out, it would be 1 over, a 1 with 12 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clearly easier to write this. Easier to write it in exponential form than it is to write it with all those zeros.